Hey everybody, welcome back. Check out what I just picked up. Yep, a big box. But what's inside it is more fun actually. So yeah, it's a record player. And just bring the camera up and it's in turntable. It's in very nice condition. Looks brand spanking new actually. So it's a, I don't know, turntable looks 1950s to me. That's a bit tight, but anyway, yeah, we're checking it out together. So, yeah, I don't know. By the hardware on the box, that little thing looks 30s to me. There's a hole there, and I don't know. We've got this. Ooh, haven't had a look at it, but look at that. So we've got some. There is a Crystal Playmaster, number 13, circuit diagram for it. Cool. And what else? Oh yeah? Maybe that's what's inside it, but where are the controls? Oh, jeez, what's that? Yeah. Okay, there's that. Some sort of plug, I have absolutely no idea. Oh, unless it's for the tone arm, maybe for the pickup. But you're not going to believe this. There's nothing in there. It's a couple of screws. It's all empty. Look, yeah, it's a bit hard to see, but bloody hell, yeah. Hey, lucky it didn't cost me anything. I was going to get thrown out. And I said, I'll have it. And what else we got? Hold on. I didn't notice that little thing there. It's a counter. Jeez, I haven't seen one of them in years. Okay, I have no idea why that would be in there. Okay. I've got a turntable though, that's something. So I'll get that turntable out, and I guess this video is, hey, let's see if this thing works, we can make it work, or just need some lubrication, whatever. Oh, I'll get that out and let's have a play. I just want to show you this. Lifted the plinth off, and yeah, we've got power. Power wires are right there, and the output is there. So there's obviously another plug there. So yeah, you plug it into an amplifier unit, and yeah, get some music out of it. Alright, well, I'll disconnect these things and yeah, play with the turntable. Alright, here's the underside of it. So yeah, just basic straightforward record player and motor, of course. Power switch would work in conjunction with the tone arm, and the speed selector, that works very, very smoothly. Alright, let's get the platter off, and on these ones, I think you can see it. Yeah, so that little that bolt holds the platter on. I'll just loosen it up a bit. It was loose anyway. So the platter should just come straight off. Okay. Well, pardon me, you can see it. Yeah. Trying to get it off, and here we go. I think if it's greased, the grease has just gone hard on it. No. Okay, I'll play around with it and I'll get that off. Might take me a while. Okay, I took that retaining bolt out, and it is lifting slowly. Okay, got it. So yeah, bit grubby, and yeah, the grease has just gone all gluey, so it needs a good clean. And what have we got here? Okay, yep, idler wheel, and that spins freely, and the motor, difficult to see, but that's also spinning quite freely. So no reason why this thing shouldn't power up. But what it does need, we need to clean out the shaft for the turntable. Make sure that's It's all nice and smooth and lubricated. So that'll be my first job. I'll get that cleaned up. I figured I'll just show this, so I'll just get some contact cleaner and a little bit of a cleaning cloth and just work it through, get all the gunk out of it. Yeah, a bit more cleaning on my part. I won't bore you too much with it, but that's essentially all we've got to do. And then add some machine oil in there, and that should be right. Okay, that's all done. Put some oil in there, oil the main shaft as well, and working. Seems good to me. Alright, let's get some power to it, and you know, nice thin power wise there. I've seen them thinner in some of the turntables as well. So yeah, I'll hook up the power, then we'll give it a test. Okay, here we go. Let's power it up slowly. Oh, it's working! Cool. Is it the right speed though? Well, let me bring it up. Everything looks good. No short circuits or nothing, or anything, not nothing. So, whatever speed that is, 78. Well, that's not spinning fast enough for a 78. Is that? It's at 33. That's a bit slow. Is that neutral or 16? Okay, we've got a problem here. Does spin, but is that neutral position? There. Alright, let's have a look. I'll zoom into the idle wheel. I'll loosen up my camera. So what have we got? That should be 45. No, that should be 45. That's 33. 78, it's not touching it, and 16, it's not even touching the shaft. Okay, that's not good. What do we got here? These rubber thingies, yeah, look at that. They've perished, the rubber washers, and the motor is just hanging too low. So if I just hold the motor up, pardon me, and I go to 78, I'm assuming with the wheel there, that would be 78. That's 45, I think there, 33, and 16 on the top. So, alright, I'll pull the motor out, and worthwhile having a look at it anyway, and try and work out some rubber grommets that I can put in there, and that'll keep the motor up at its full height. Alright, I'll search around. Here's the motor out of it, and yeah, the rubber grommets, these have perished hard as, and don't have any like that, but maybe with what grommets I've got, we can adapt something that will work. Alright, I will search around and see what we can get. Oh, the other thing, take that off. Don't want to lose that washer. So the other thing is the motor, and yep, that's spinning pretty freely. Can do with a clean though, wouldn't hurt. So we'll do that too. I've found some grommets, pardon me, and they're a reasonable fit. And if we insert this up, how's it go? There. Let me get my holding block out of the way. Alright. And I will zoom in. Right, so I'm holding it up, and where am I? 16. should be on that, oh sorry, here's a pointer. The idler wheel should be on that bottom ridge there, 45. It's a bit high, it's halfway between 45 and 33. It's 33, and there's 16, which is pretty much missing the, I think it's a spindle, yeah. And so, okay, that's as far as it goes. But I did notice something. The spindle, oh, this is damn difficult. Tell you what, the one thing I don't like working about working on record players, that spindle there, let's we can move it, hopefully. Shit, there's enough play on the main shaft. Oh, that one's loose. Okay, got a fair bit of room there. So I'm just gonna take a bit of finicky work, but this should alleviate the problem with the idler wheel sitting firmly on each graduation, on each graduation of the spindle. So let's see what that looks like. Just a quick fix. So okay, that's a lot closer, so it just needs to come up a little bit more. I'd say, yeah, just a little bit more. And then it will be touching all the graduations properly and nice and true. Okay, I think I've got it. So that's 78, 45, 33, neutral, and 16. May have to just drop it, I think, just a little bit. I don't know, but we'll test it out. But it looks okay. Looks okay. All right, I'll get this mounted in there permanently, and then we'll come back and give it another go. Here's my solution. That grommet that I found, yep, not a problem. I decided that I'd fit the grommet actually right inside the turntable itself. So yeah, I wanted to have rubber. Pardon my hand. I wanted to have rubber on the shaft. I didn't want it possibly touching the metal and creating all sorts of awful noise. Then grabbed another one of those grommets, cut it in half, put it there, the washer, and our little circlip should, I know you're not seeing much there, but so yeah, that's it there. Half a washer on top, half a grommet on top, and then the metal washer, and that little circlip will clip in once I get the pliers onto it. So I think I've solved it, and hopefully, anyway, but that will mean a readjustment of the of that spindle there. Not a problem. I'll mount that all up and permanently, and yeah, then we'll keep going on this. There it is. Finicky work, but got it in the end, and that seems pretty good. The yeah, there's a little bit of play in the motor, but that's normal. That's normal. So and I adjust the spindle and take it from the bottom. Yep, what I take to be 78 there, 45, 33, neutral, and 16 at the top. We'll see how that works. All right. Put the platter back on, give it a go. Here's a big test, and let's see if this, yep, nice click, that's working. What's that on? 33, 45, definitely spinning a bit quicker, and let's go up to 78. Yeah, looks alright. Let's go to 16. Which should be damn slow. Okay. So 45. think that's right. Oh, well, anyway, we're going to find out, given that the cartridge works, and hopefully it does, otherwise we'll just change it. The other thing I didn't do, of course, was oil the motor. Great. Alright, pardon my arm, just turn the power off, and, oh actually, no, I'll turn it back on, and let's see if this power's off. Click. Yep. Alright, so the on-off switch is working well. That's another thing out of the way. Yeah, that spins freely. That's really nice. Well, not too bad. Yep, pretty good. Sprocket for the motor, that came out easy enough. And even the shaft looks fairly clean, as you can see, but still, you know, give it a clean with some contact cleaner, and then oil it, and where am I? There. And the same with that, right in the middle. And I think I've shown this before, but all I do, just screwdriver, stick it in there, get all the gunk out of it, and then a bit of machine oil, and that should take care of it. And then put it all back together.
In Japan, the hand can be used like a knife. But this method doesn't work with a tomato. That's why we use the ginsu. It's a knife that no kitchen should be without. The ginsu can cut a slice of bread so thin you can almost see through it. It cuts meat better than an electric knife and goes through frozen food as though it were melted butter. The ginsu is so sharp it can cut through a tin can and still slice a tomato like this. It can chop wood and still remain razor sharp. What's more, it's a knife that will last forever. How much would you pay for a knife like this? Before you answer, listen. It even comes with a matching fork to make carving a pleasure. Wait, there's much, much more. We also want you to have this 6-in-1 kitchen tool. It grates cheese and makes beautiful decorative vegetables. How much would you pay for all these items? Well, we'll even give you the set of 6 precision steak knives. The handles even match the ginsu. And to make the offer completely irresistible, you'll get this unique spiral slicer. Down and down, around and around, and you'll have a beautiful garnish for your dinner table. Now how much would you pay? You get the ginsu knife, the matching carving fork, the versatile 6-in-1 kitchen tool, a set of 6 steak knives, and the spiral slicer. You get them all, guaranteed in writing for 50 years, for only $9.95. It's the most incredible knife offer ever. Here's how to order.
Well, you know, I haven't seen that ginsu ad since, I guess I was a kid. I remember it, and it fascinated me back then. And yeah, the original, but wait, there's more. But wait, there is more. Check this one out.
Oh, this old knife just doesn't cut it anymore. There's got to be something better.
Now there is.
Wow.
The Come On ceramic knife. It never needs sharpening, and it's only $29.95.
It really works.
And if you order right now, we'll send you the matching paring knife and bread knife.
Now that's a deal.
And during this special offer, you'll also get our special cutting board, knife holder, and cleaning cloth with special Come On cleaning solution, good for your knives, counters, and laundry.
This is amazing.
We're not done yet. You'll also get the mixing bowl set, ice cube trays, an inflatable chair, glow sticks, a shower pen, fridge magnets, an ironing board with shirt rack, an electronic Sudoku puzzle generator, language translator, mouse pad, and a mascot outfit.
I don't have room for all of this.
We're also including a closet organizer, bags of some kind, large plastic geese, and a deluxe litter box.
I don't have a cat.
And today only, we're doubling the offer.
I just need a knife.
Order now from Come On Ceramic Knives, a subsidiary of Unwanted Merchandise Disposal Services.
Tell you what, that's got to be one of the funniest skits I've ever seen. I loved it. Brilliant, brilliant stuff. Anyway, what we're doing now, I want to test the cartridge. And so I've pulled out this little amplifier that came out of a ratty old HMV record player. And the case was just absolutely shot to pieces. So let's turn that on and see if we get any scratchy sounds out of the needle and cartridge. Turn it up full. Yep. Hey, that works. Cool. Alright, well, tell you what, let's get a record on there. Yeah, my favourite single, Melbourne and Sydney. 45 RPM. Let's see what... Oh, well, maybe I should turn the power on. Here we go. It's not going down enough to touch the... what's going on here? Bloody wires are in the way. Okay. Let me just get those wires out of the way. Okay, I think we're all ready to go. Here we go. Oh, power. Yep. Come on. Nah. Nah. Turn that off. From what I can see, or barely see if I can zoom in for you. I'm going to go autofocus. Come on. I'm struggling to see the needle. Yeah, I'm gonna change the cartridge. That's going to be the easiest thing to do, I think. And so I'll do that. And I think, yeah, you've seen me do it. It's not hard, just a little bit finicky. So I'll get that done. Alright, for those of you that haven't seen me do this, replacing old cartridges with modern ones, what I've come up with is I use a little Scrabble piece, and you can see it's in there, and I've just glued it in. And what I then do is I use Velcro, or what do you call it, hook and loop. And one goes there, the other one goes on the cartridge. And where's my cartridge? There. So I'll stick it on there, and bang. Put it there, adjust a little bit, make sure it's sort of the needle is fairly true with the record. So yeah, that's how I do it. And yeah, so far they've all worked. So I'll get that in. We'll give it a test. All right, there it is. All attached. So I've got the amp on and nice and loud. That's good. Alright, let me just turn this, get the camera down there. Go back. Oh, that's good enough angle. Alright. Start her up. See what she sounds like. The speed it's playing is what I'm curious about.
Now here's a little story.
Sounds good to me.
And we won't tell no lie about our two great cities, Melbourne and Sydney. We're brotherly in Melbourne, although it may be
Cool.
Sydney's not as...
Cool. Let's I'll tell you what, I'll get my phone and we'll do an RPM check on it. Back in a sec. Okay, here we go. Let's turn this little thing on. Think you can see it. Yeah, we'll just come in a little bit more. Alright, so we're on 45. Power. Here we go. What, 44.767? Hey, looks like around about, okay, 44 and a half, 44.3 to 44.4, whatever, and that's pretty good. 33, 33.4, 33.5, spot on. What about 16? That's playing at 17. again, no big deal. And we'll try 78. And we've got 76, 75, 76. Again, I think acceptable. I don't play 78 records, so yeah, not a problem. 33 and 45 are working well, and they're the two speeds, or two types of records that I listen to. Alright, well, that's done. That is done. And a great little turntable that I'll definitely probably use in the future. Great little thing. Anyway, I'll wrap the video up. Hope you like the ads, because I love them. Yeah, anyway, hope you found it interesting. So I'll be back soon. Take care, guys. Have fun. Bye.